Hello everyone. Take a black marker. Afterwards, add this opposite V shape to it, add a face out of it, add the eyebrows to it and then the eyes, add the little nose to it and then a smile to it as well. Add the rest of the hair to it, make it long, and then coming from it, add the rest of the girl's body. Now add the arms to it and then add the heart shape in order to make the dress. Continue on and then make it into a mermaid as such. Draw the rest of the body underneath it and then add the tail to it as well. Now add as many details to it as possible. As you can see, we have made the hair as long as possible. Now once you're done with this, add a little crown to her as well. Once you're done with this, add the jewels to it and there you have it. Add the lines to this mermaid's tail as such. Add each of the levels to it and then draw the detailing to the fins. Add the ground to it as well. Add the grass on top of it once you're done, on top of a rock as such. Add little fish swimming behind or beside this mermaid as well and make bubbles come out of the situation or the context. Next, we'll start off by taking a marker, draw this curved line to it, and then on one side of it, add this line to it as such. This will make the facial mark. Afterwards, add the large eyes to it, and then add a smile to it once you're done with this. Now, add the ears on either end of it as such. Continue on and then draw the neck of it, and then afterwards, make it a frilled neck. Now, once you're done drawing the frill neck, draw the rest of the body of this. Now, once you've drawn the rest of the body, continue on and then draw the long, lanky arms to it as well. Once you've drawn the arms to it, then draw the rest of the back as well. As you can see, this is what we have drawn at the back as well. Draw the horizontal lines to it and then afterwards do this on either side as well. Now once you're done with this, add a little crown to it as well. Add the detailing of the crown and then color all of this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing a head. Make it an animated head like how you would draw in Sinchan. Now afterwards, draw the sharp edges to the top of this and then make it into a hat. Afterwards, do the hat position out of it, that is the curved line at the top as well. Now add the arm onto one side of it and then draw the back of the head. Continue on and then draw the eyes to it as well. Make it as animated as possible and then draw on the mouth to it. Now draw the rest of the body, add the legs underneath it and there you have it. Next, take your marker and then afterwards slowly begin to draw this heart-like shape out of it. Underneath it, draw an opposite heart shape to it as well. Now underneath this, add another curved line on either end to it, draw this V shape out of it and then afterwards draw this long puffy dress to it. Now add the shoulders on either end of it as such. Continue on and then draw the rest of the body. As you draw the rest of the body, this is what it should look like. Now add this curved line to the middle of it, add a heart shape to it. Add this V shape to it as well. At the top, add this crown and then add the hair on either end. After this, you may add eyebrows to it, then add the eyes to it and then add a smiling face to it as well. Make a cape come out from the back of this and color this in red and light blue accordingly. Next, we'll start off by taking the circular shape, draw it on top of this. Underneath this, draw a larger circular shape as such. Add a line coming right through the middle. Before this, add a dewdrop-like shape to it. Add a line on either end of it and then draw these two lines to it as well. Connect each of them as such using a marker. Now, once you're done with this, add these large lines underneath it. Now, add eyebrows to it and then afterwards, add the eyes to it as such. Add the nose and the mouth to it, add ears on either end. Afterwards, add the dotted lines to the top. Thank you for watching.